After arguing at length, the learned advocate Mr. Sayyed, appearing for the applicant, seeks permission to withdraw the present application. However, submits that a liberty be granted to move an application afresh if the trial is not commenced within 3 months. Para. In view of the above, the permission I sought for is granted. The present application is dismissed as withdrawn. However, the applicant shall be at liberty to move an application afresh in case the trial is not commenced within a period of 6 months from today. The trial court is directed to expedite the trial. Rule is discharged. At this juncture, the learned advocate Mr. Sayyed, appearing for the applicant, requested the court to pass a respond order. Normally, such a request after passing of the above order could not be entertained by the court. However, without scratching the matter any further, following order is passed. The present application has been filed by the applicant, original accused seeking his release on bail under section 439 of CRPC in connection with the offence registered as ICR number 1181 of 2020 at the Limkheda Police Station, District Dahod, for the offences punishable under sections 11 clause 1 clause D and 11 clause 1 clause H of the Prevention of Animal Cruelty Act and section 6A and 8 clause 2 of the Animal Preservation Act. The present application therefore has benefited after the filing of charge sheet against the applicant accused. It is sought to be submitted by the learned advocate Mr. Sayyed for the applicant that there was no evidence collected by the investigating officer to show that the animals were being carried by the applicant for slaughtering purpose. According to him, he was doing the business of buying and selling the animals and was not involved in slaughtering activity. He further submitted that he was falsely implicated in the present case as he was arrested in one another case of similar nature. However, the learned APP Mr. CM Shah, appearing for the respondent, state submitted that applicant is a habitual offender and has also been involved in the other case of similar nature. She also drew attention of the court to the amendment made in the Gujarat Animal Preservation Amendment Act 2017, in which the punishment under section 8 of the said act has been increased for 7 years to the life imprisonment. However, the learned APP Mr. CM Shah, appearing for the respondent, state submitted that applicant is a habitual offender and has also been involved in the other case of similar nature. She also drew attention of the court to amend made in Gujarat Animal Preservation 2017, in which the punishment under section 8 of the said act has been increased for 7 years. The court noted that the applicant was absconding after the alleged incident and was arrested only in July 2020. The court also observed that he was the owner of the truck intercepted by the complainant and was himself driving the said truck in which the animals were subjected to cruelty. Therefore, the court found that there is a prima facie involvement of the applicant found in the alleged offences. Hence, considering the gravity and seriousness of the offences alleged against the applicant and the punishment prescribed for the said offences, the court refused to grant him the bail. Stop over.